Module 5, Lesson 22's objective is to generate simple equivalent fractions by using visual fraction models and the number line. Item 2 says, complete the fractions to make true statements. Let's look at the circles first. The top circle has one of the two portions shaded, or 1/2. That's listed right here. The second circle has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces in all, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them are shaded, or 4/8. So 1/2 is equivalent to 4/8. Let's look at the rectangles. The top rectangle shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces in all. 1, 2, 3. 3 of them are shaded, or 3/5 of the rectangle is shaded. And that's written right here. The bottom rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pieces in all, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of the 10 are shaded, or 6/10. 6/10 is the same as 3/5. All right, you do the triangles on your own. Item 3 says, why does it take 3 copies of 1/6 to show the same amount as 1 copy of 1/2? Explain your answer in words and pictures. Why does it take 3 copies of 1/6 to show the same amount as 1 copy of 1/2? Explain in words and pictures. I think I'll go ahead and show what 3 copies of 1/6 looks like first. Here's a circle. I'll divide it into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I will shade in 3 copies of 1/6. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. Now I'll draw the same circle as best I can. I will divide it into halves. And I will shade in 1 copy, or 1/2. What do you think? Why does it take 3 copies of 1/6 to show the same amount as 1 copy of 1/2? We need to answer that question in words. It takes 3 copies of 1/6 to show the same amount as 1 copy of 1/2, because blank. You finish the sentence. Take a look at the picture. The picture on the left shows 3 copies of 1/6, and the picture on the right shows one copy of 1/2. So why does it take 3 copies of 1/6 to show the same amount as one copy of 1/2? Item 4. How many ninths does it take to make the same amount as 1/3? Explain your answer in words and pictures. I better highlight the important information. In this case, that's the question. How many ninths does it take to make the same amount as 1/3? I'm highlighting that so I remember to answer the question at the end of determining the answer. I know I need to underline the important details, explain in words and pictures. That way I remember to follow the directions. I'll start with pictures again. This time I'll do a rectangle. Let me make sure I have 9 parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, I have 9 parts. I divided this rectangle into 9 parts because it specifically says how many ninths. Each portion of that rectangle equals 1/9. Now I'll try to draw a rectangle that is the same size and shape as the first one. This time I'll divide it into thirds. Now it says how many ninths does it take to make the same amount as 1/3? So I'll go ahead and shade in one of the 3 parts, or 1/3 of the rectangle. Now you need to shade in the number of pieces in the rectangle above that would be the same as 1/3 of the rectangle below. Then we have to answer the question. There are blank ninths in 1/3. You fill in the blank. Item 5 says a pie was cut into 8 equal slices. If Reuben ate 3/4 of the pie, how many slices did he eat? Explain your answer using a number line and words. I'll go ahead and underline the important details. 8 equal slices. And I will highlight if Reuben ate 3/4 of the pie, how many slices did he eat? I will underline explain using a number line and words. I'll go ahead and use a number line that starts over here with endpoints 0. Let me fix that a little bit. And 1. First, in order to figure out how many slices he ate, I think I'll go ahead and divide this number line into fourths, since 3/4 has a 4 at the bottom. And I'll label the fractions underneath. 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. Now I'll divide the number line into eighths, since it said that the pie was cut into 8 equal slices. Since the number line's already in fourths, I know that if I cut each of those pieces in half, it'll be 4 plus 4, which is 8. But let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'll label the number line with eighths above. 0/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. Now let's see if this helps me figure out the answer. If Reuben ate 3/4 of the pie, how many slices did he eat? Well, here's 3/4. And it says 3/4 is the same as 6/8. So, when a pie is cut into 8 equal slices, Reuben ate 6/8 of the pie. How many slices is 6/8 of the pie? Reuben ate blank slices. All right, you write the answer on the line. Remember, you're writing the number of slices, not the fraction. The rest is up to you.